Pieta House says around 80,000 people registered for its Darkness into Light events in Ireland and around the world. The fundraiser for the suicide and self-harm prevention charity sees people gather before sunrise to walk into the dawn.
Many bring lights to the walks. All bring their own reasons for taking part, often very personal.
It's just a lovely, lovely atmosphere with all the people. We're all here for the same thing, the same reason, that people have passed, so that's really it.
It's a memory just to have this time, because during the year it's so busy, and yes, you think of them every day, but to do something like this, to just reflect.
It's bittersweet. It's the sadness, but you're looking at other people and they give you momentum to go on. But when you come to the end, at the finish, you're waiting for someone to be there for you. But when that's not happening, it's very sad.
Yeah, to me personally, I struggled with my mental health a number of years ago. So I have a lot of empathy for people who have lost family members through suicide. So it does mean a lot to me personally.
There's also the practical action of raising money for services to prevent suicide.
This is our major fundraiser of the year. 75% of the funds that we need in Pieta are all based on our fundraised income. So it's really, really important that people donate, that people register.
Part of the message of this event is often the darkest hour comes just before the dawn.
I'm here for Gary, my brother, passed away 16 years ago, and he thought it was the easy way out. It's not. There's always people to talk to.
The West was awake in Sligo as over 1,000 turned out.
Darkness into Light for me is very special in the fact that I lost my brother through suicide, and I can remember him in a special way, especially tonight, and the walk means so much. On
tractors, in kayaks or on horseback, solidarity for those affected by suicide stretched across the world. Coleman O'Sullivan, RTE News.